Hi, this is Dansoy, aka Batman in the kitchen. We're going to bring you a quick smoothie. We have the blender. We have unsweetened almond milk, which is vegan. We have a banana, six ounces of frozen strawberries, and 6 ounces of almond milk. So you're going to just throw the almond milk in there. Then you're going to take the 6 ounces of strawberries and throw that in there. Then you're going to want to take the banana and throw that in. This is basically the almond milk strawberry banana smoothie. Alright, so this smoothie doesn't take long. I already have the banana in there. And we're just going to put the top on. And we're going to hit smoothie. Just basically blend it up to the consistency and thickness that you want, but I do it a couple times. So this is basically an unsweetened almond milk strawberry banana smoothie, and you can see the texture in there. So just one more time and then we'll pour it and we're done. Now it's done. It only takes a couple minutes. Alright, so that's done. You can see the color. And it's made with unsweetened almond milk, which is vegan. So this is a vegan smoothie. It's really good for you. So now we're just going to pour it in the mason jar and put a straw in there and we're set. Alright, so we're basically done there. There's the smoothie right there. Strawberry banana with almond milk. You can see the rich color. Sorry, like I said, the light is really bad in here. But that's a nice consistency, and we're just going to straw it and we're done. It only takes like 2 minutes. Alright, so we're done, folks. There's the straw, there's the smoothie. You can see that it's really nice, and it only took like 2 minutes. So we have a little bit more left over, but like I said, you could change the ounces to what you need. But basically, that's the strawberry banana almond milk smoothie. Batman in the kitchen, Dansoy. God bless. Peace out.